What's up, future Fiverr millionaires? It's Shukuru here, and if you're ready to turn your skills into serious income on Fiverr, you're in the right place. Because let's be real, getting those first few clicks on your gig can feel like trying to win the lottery, right? You're putting your heart and soul into your work, but it's like no one even sees it. Trust me, I've been there. When I first started on Fiverr, I was stuck in that same loop, pouring hours into gigs that just weren't getting any traction. But then, I figured out a system. A few tweaks here, a couple of strategic changes there, and boom, my clicks and more importantly my sales went through the roof. And in this video, I'm breaking down that exact system for you. We're going step by step through the secrets to creating Fiverr gigs that are so good, so irresistible, that buyers won't be able to resist clicking. We're talking about everything from finding the hottest niches, to crafting titles that convert and designing thumbnails that stop scrollers dead in their tracks. Before you even think about creating your gig, we need to lay the foundation for success. And that starts with choosing the right niche. Think of it like this. You wouldn't open a burger joint in a city full of vegans, right? You gotta go where the demand is. So, how do you find your perfect Fiverr niche? It's all about being a detective and tapping into what buyers are already searching for. And the best part? Fiverr practically hands you the magnifying glass. Head over to Fiverr and start typing in the skill you're thinking of offering. Watch the autocomplete suggestions like a hawk. Those are actual searches buyers are making. See a term popping up over and over? That's a potential goldmine right there. Next, take a peek at the top sellers in your niche. What keywords are they using in their titles and descriptions? What are their price points like? This is invaluable intel that tells you what's working right now. But here's where things get really interesting. Don't just stop at the obvious. Let's say you're a graphic designer specializing in logos. Instead of just targeting logo design, think about niches within that niche. Maybe it's minimalist logos, mascot logos, or even logos specifically for YouTubers. Remember, the more specific you get, the less competition you'll face and the easier it will be to stand out from the crowd. It's like going from fishing in a vast ocean to a stocked pond. Your chances of landing a big one just skyrocketed. Finding your winning niche takes a little bit of legwork, but trust me, it's the foundation for everything else. So, spend some time on Fiverr, get those detective skills sharpened, and uncover the niche where your skills and buyer demand intersect. Alright, you found your winning niche, now it's time to craft a gig title that screams, "Click me!" Your title is like a shop window display, it's the first impression, and you only get one shot to grab attention. Forget vague and generic. We're going for laser-focused and benefit-driven. Instead of a bland "I will design a logo," think along the lines of, "I will create a modern minimalist logo in 24 hours. See the difference? We're hitting those keywords buyers are actively searching for, modern, minimalist, logo, while also highlighting a key benefit: speedy 24-hour delivery. It's about speaking directly to their needs and desires. Here's another pro tip. Use numbers to your advantage. Instead of fast delivery, say logo design with 12-hour delivery. Numbers jump off the screen and make your offer more tangible and appealing. And here's a secret weapon. Check out what your competitors are doing, but then do it better. If they're all offering 24-hour delivery, see if you can swing 12 hours. Can you offer unlimited revisions? Find those little edges that set you apart. Remember, your title is a promise to the buyer. It's telling them exactly what you're going to deliver and how it's going to benefit them. So make it count. You know that saying, "Don't judge a book by its cover"? Well, on Fiverr, everyone's judging books by their covers. Your gig thumbnail is the visual hook that can make or break your success. Think about it. You're scrolling through a sea of gigs, all vying for attention. What's going to make you stop and take a closer look? A bland, generic image, or a vibrant, eye-catching thumbnail that practically jumps off the screen? Here's the thing. You don't need to be a Photoshop wizard to create stunning thumbnails. Start with a clean, high-contrast design. Bold, easy-to-read text is key, and try to keep it concise. 2 to 3 words max. Want to build instant trust? Add your face to the thumbnail. People buy from people they connect with, and a friendly face can make all the difference in a sea of faceless gigs. Now let's talk tools. Canva is your new best friend. It's free, super user-friendly, and packed with templates and design elements to help you create professional-looking thumbnails in minutes. And hey, if you want to step up your game even further, Photoshop is the industry standard. But don't get overwhelmed. There are tons of free tutorials online to help you master the basics. Remember, your thumbnail is your chance to visually communicate the value you offer. Make it pop, make it professional, and most importantly, Make it irresistible. Alright, you've hooked them with your title and thumbnail, now it's time to reel them in with a killer gig description. This is your chance to really sell yourself, your skills, and the unique value you bring. Think of your gig description as a movie trailer. It needs to be engaging, informative, and leave them wanting more. Start with a strong opening line that grabs their attention and clearly states what you're offering. No one wants to wade through walls of text. Break up your description into short, easy-to-read paragraphs. Use bullet points to highlight key features and benefits. Remember, people are skimming, so make it easy for them to find the good stuff. What makes you different? Why should a buyer choose you over the hundreds of other sellers offering similar services? This is your chance to let your personality shine through. Are you a stickler for deadlines? Do you offer unlimited revisions? Shout it from the rooftops. And here's a little psychology trick. Use strong call to actions throughout your description. Instead of passively saying, I can design a logo, say, get a custom logo designed today, or contact me before ordering to discuss your project. Remember, the goal is to guide the buyer towards taking action. Make it crystal clear what you want them to do next. Think of Fiverr tags as the secret sauce that helps buyers find your gig. These little keywords are how Fiverr understands what your gig is all about and who to show it to. You get 5 tags. Use them all. Don't leave any potential clicks on the table. This is where your keyword research from earlier comes into play. Use a mix of broad and niche-specific tags to cast a wide net while still targeting the right buyers. For example, let's say you offer social media management. Some broad tags might be social media, marketing, or business. But then, get laser-focused with niche tags like Instagram growth or Facebook ads. Here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to experiment with your tags. Fiverr allows you to change them as often as you like, so keep an eye on your analytics and see which tags are driving the most traffic. Remember, tags are all about getting your gig in front of the right eyeballs. So put on your keyword hat, think like a buyer, and choose tags that accurately reflect what you offer. Okay, let's talk pricing and packages, the part that makes you money. The key here is to strike that sweet spot between being competitive and not undervaluing your skills. Remember, you're running a business, not a charity. Check out what other sellers in your niche are charging, but don't be afraid to price yourself higher if you're offering more value. Do your research, know your worth, and don't be afraid to charge what you deserve. Now let's talk packages. This is where you can really get creative and offer irresistible value. Start with a basic package that covers the essentials at a competitive price point. This is your entry-level offer to get those first few clients through the door. Next up, your standard package. This is where you sweeten the deal with some extras. Maybe it's faster delivery, more revisions, or additional features. The key is to make the value jump obvious. Finally, your premium package. This is for buyers who want the absolute best and are willing to pay a premium for it. Think VIP treatment, expedited delivery, and all the bells and whistles. Here's the thing, people love options. By offering different packages at different price points, you give buyers the flexibility to choose what works best for their budget and needs. And trust me, it leads to more sales. There you have it, the roadmap to creating Fiverr gigs that get clicks, attract buyers, and boost your sales. Remember, success on Fiverr isn't about luck. It's about strategy, optimization, and constantly refining your approach. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest takeaway from this video? What's one action step you're going to take today to improve your Fiverr gigs? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and strategies to crush it in the online world. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to build a Fiverr gig that gets clicks. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more ways to earn online. Got questions? Drop them in the comments.